Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can customize your WooCommerce checkout page, so let's get right into it. I'll be using this post on Jetpack simply because I do not have access to a WooCommerce subscription at the moment, so let's get right into how you can edit it. Now, you can edit it in a couple of different ways. The first is using extensions to edit the checkout fields, and you have a wide variety of WooCommerce extensions available to you. Some are paid for, some are free, so you can just browse through the ones that fit you best, and you can then go ahead and customize the checkout page with them. Now, you can use the WooCommerce cart and checkout blocks. You can just use this extension, and it is a free download. And once you install it, then you need to navigate to your pages in your dashboard and open up the checkup page, and you can delete the shortcode for the checkout page. Then you need to search for the checkout block and add it to your page, and you should see a preview such as this. Now you can start customizing it. You can show or hide the checkout step numbers, show hide certain fields, and make the phone field required using the block settings. And you can also manage and configure the paid payment options using paid add-ons, and allow your shoppers to customize or apply codes to their orders. Additionally, you can also use extensions, as I mentioned. You can have product recommendations on them. You can enable multiple shipping addresses using this addition or add-on, and they are all different, so I don't have the time to cover all of them. And you can let customers choose a delivery date using certain add-ons as well. And yeah, that is it for that. And you can also customize it manually, which I would not recommend. It does recommend coding it in CSS and HTML, which I do not know how to do professionally, and for you it might be too complicated, so I would not play around with this unless you are sure what you're doing. I mean, you can, if you want to, you can learn something new. It's not that difficult. However, it is a bit tedious when you have the add-ons and plugins, which will help you do this. And yeah, that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.